Hello everyone, this update of my mint adansonii from last 5 months. I hope you find it interesting, and if you do, I love it if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel at Juicy Variety Vlog. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content like this. And here she is. This plant is doing so well right now, and except this variegation is very light, such as silver, a few yellow, and mostly green, but still beautiful and healthy. And also I have to make moss pole with wire. I did this on my own, which is very easy to make because it's ready to climb right here. And my moss pole is dry. One more thing, I'm excited. This is a mystery plant, and when I ordered this adansonii, this tiny plant was beside the main plant and it's apart. I have yet to learn what it is, but I did not pull it out even when I transferred this adansonii in a different pot. It looks like a weed, but I continue to take care of this tiny anyway until now. She is so cute. Her original leaf was 1/2 moon and plain leaf. Now it is mostly green with a splash of white. Yeah, right there. See, like the soil where the plant was. Yep. And even this adansonii, she like her soil too. Very rich green. I transferred this into a little solo cup and put holes in it. Right there, and I did it. I had to repot to the bigger pot size, so I had to pull it out slowly. It wasn't hard to separate, but I was worried at first because of a few roots and delicate, and I didn't know if this would survive. I did my best, so now I'm happy to see this new leaf coming out, and I call this mystery plant and whatever. And look, the roots start growing unhealthy, and there is a new leaf coming out. I may find out the name on this tiny plant later. I think let's see, I should leave this in here because she was here first instead, but maybe I decided to put it, I think I'm going to put this under a grow light to maintain healthy growth. And right now she's so delicate and her leaf is turning yellow, but a new one is coming out. Okay guys, that's it for now. And here's the update of my monstera mint variegated adansonii rare plant. Let me spin here one more time, or maybe 2 times. Right here. And one more tip guys, in my plant, you see this gravel rock in my drainage pan. I put this gravel rock, I did this because I wanted to make sure the bottom part of this plant is set on top of the gravel, not directly on the drainage pan, so the soil continues to drain thoroughly. Even though I drain it well before I put it back here, I still wanted to make sure that this bottom didn't sit on the drainage pan on contact. So I put this gravel to let it sit on top. Alright, and there is more also. This little solo cup, I put a little water in the gravel rocks to elevate just a little bit and add water right at this level where the rocks are also. And there is a hole, I made it myself for hair draining, and she's just going to water her own. It is like a self-watering. And isn't she beautiful? And there she is, and look at the rocks. And I hope you enjoy watching this video guys. And right now, and let's watch her grow. All this plant grow. Both of them are happy planting, and God bless.